Very good morning, girls. How are you? I hope you are doing good. And as you know, in the last class we are discussing the concept of the Lagrange's mean value theorem. Sorry, Lagrange's interpolation polynomial formula. And I gave that the formula is x minus. So for the first x naught we have to ignore. That's why x1, x minus x2 and so on, x minus xn by x naught minus x1, x naught minus x2, x naught minus xn into here y naught. Y naught means simply we can write it as a f of x naught also. And next plus x minus x naught. Here which value we have to ignore? x1. So into x minus x2. So on x minus xn by x1 minus x naught, x1 minus x2, so on x1 minus xn into y1 plus so on. Lastly x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2, so on. Actually we consider up to xn. That means x minus xn minus 1 and here xn minus x naught. So 1 xn minus 1 into yn. So generally I gave this as a polynomial equation. So now here I am going to give this polynomial equation in a easy way. Okay, I mean in a short way simply. Now here this is nothing but L naught. Actually here L naught into y naught, right? So now continuation part ma L naught here y naught plus L1 y1 plus L2 y2 plus so on Ln yn. So now here I am going to give the value of the small li in generally. Therefore now li of x 0, 1 and we have so on now. So I am giving here the value of the li in generally. Now right, what we have to get? It is nothing but x minus x naught, x minus x1 and so on, x minus xi minus 1 into x minus xi plus 1 into x minus xn. Okay, whole divided by, see here I am not taking I minus 1, I am taking I plus 1. In between actually what we have to get? X minus xi, but here I am not taking 1, remember that one. Now here xi minus x naught, xi minus x1 and so on, xi minus 1, xi minus xi plus 1 and so on, xi minus xn. So this is the formula of the li of x. And additionally still, okay, so we can write this entire value. Here what I have here, do we have a product or addition? Product. So that's why product is denoted with a summation, means this one. When you have plus, then you have to use a summation. When you have minus, you have to use pi. Okay, now here I am going to write pi n plus 1 of x is equal to the entire value of the numerator. Let this value is equal to x minus xi minus 1, x minus xi plus 1. Okay, so this is nothing but the value of pi n plus 1 of x. Similarly, here I am going to take that the derivation of this one. That means d by dx of pi n plus 1 of x. So when you will take the derivation at x is equal to xi, you have to mention it. This is a very important one. Okay, then you will get this value as directly, will get it as xi minus x naught, xi minus x1 and so on, xi minus 1 into xi minus xi plus 1 denominator value into this one. And here what they mentioned, they mentioned clearly the value at x is equal to xi. So that's why here when we are writing the value of the Lix, now what is the numerator value? Pi n plus 1 of x. Okay, by here what I mentioned, at x equal to xi. So that's why here we have to take that x minus xi. Okay, and next the remaining value will be same. So that is nothing but pi dash n plus 1 of x. This is nothing but Li of x. So now write down, see here, this is nothing but only Li of x I gave. But here what is ln? Ln is nothing but here we have additions, right? So now here, by using above values, ln of x is equal to simply what we get here, we have to take the L1 x naught this one plus so on, and here clearly we are taking the addition. Here what I have L1, L2, L3, L4 and so on. Now what I have to take? Summation I is equal to 0 to n. Next, summation means additions. Next what I have to take? Li of x. So here I am taking that Li of x is directly pi n plus 1 of x by x minus xi into pi dash n plus 1 of x into what I have, y0, y1 and so on. That means yi. This is nothing but the formula. You have to remember this formula. This is the Lagrange's formula. Otherwise, startingly today I gave an equation that you can remember that one also, there is no problem. Okay, now write down which is called as Lagrange's interpolation formula. Lagrange's interpolation formula. Okay. So next write down now. If otherwise the coefficient Lix defined as above are called as Lagrange interpolation coefficients. Okay. Now interchanging x and y, then we have interchanging x and y means in the place of x y, in the place of y x, summation I equal to 0 to n pi n plus 1 of y by y minus yi into pi dash n plus 1 of y into xi. So simply here we have the same thing, but in the place of x what I have y, in the place of y what I have x. So this is called as inverse interpolation polynomial. Write down inverse interpolation polynomial. Okay, simple Lagrange's, and now here I discussed that the inverse interpolation. So these are the formulas you have to remember. If you remember this one, then it is enough, because here simply we can change that x equal to y and y equal to x. Okay. Next write down now one application problem. Certain corresponding values of x and log x base 10 are 300. Write down as it is, comma 304, find log 301 base 10. Okay, Okay, simple thing. Listen, this is the given information. So now here first of all we have to take the table. So now here x log x base 10. What are the values? 300, 304, 305, 307. These are the values of the x. That means x0, x1, x2, x3. You can write with a pencil. Okay. Next, 2.4771, 2.4829, 2.4843, 2.4871. This is, you can take that y0, y1, y2, y3. Okay. So this is the table from the given information I found. Now here what they are asking to find log 301. Okay. So now I am erasing this one. Now we have to use that by using by Lagrange's interpolation polynomial ln of x is equal to, simply here what is the formula? Summation I is equal to 0 to n pi n plus 1 of x by y. Okay, so now here how many values we have, ma'am? Up to n is nothing but 3. So that's why simply we have to take that L3 of x is equal to, now we have to put n equal to 3. Okay. Then what we get? X minus x0 we have to skip in a first term. Then x minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x3 by what we get here? x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3 into y0 plus, now we have to skip x1, then x3 by x1 minus x0. Now it is y1 plus, now we have to ignore x2. This is an easy way to remember the values, into y2 plus, lastly we have to ignore x3, x minus x0 into y3. Okay, now we have to substitute the values, and now here what they gave here, n is equal to 3, x is equal to 301. Okay, so now here 301 minus, what is the value of the x1 here? 4. 304. Then what we get? Directly I am taking 301 minus 304 minus 3. 301 minus 305 minus 4. Next, 301 minus 307 minus 6. x0 is 300. 300 minus 4. Next, 300 minus 305. 5. 300 minus 7 into y0. What is y0 here? 2.4771 plus x minus x0. 301 minus 300 minus 1. 301 minus 305 minus 4. 301 minus 307 minus 6. x1 is 304. 304 minus 300. 4 into 304 minus 305 minus 1 into 304 minus 307 minus 3 into 2.4829. Similarly, write the remaining values. One, x is 301, 1 into, directly actually here I have the values, x2, that is 305 minus 300, 5 into 1 into x2 minus x3, x2 minus x3 minus 2 into 2.4843. Now plus 301 minus 300, 1 into minus 3 into minus 4 by x3 is 307 minus 300, 7 into 3 into 2, and y3 is 2.487. Just calculate. Now what we get? Simply minus into minus plus, here we will get it is minus directly, and 4 get cancelled. Okay, so now here 3 6 are 18 divided by 35 into 2.4771. So it is minus 1.273937. I am taking 4. After the point I am taking 5 digits. Next, here minus, we will get again minus, and 4 get cancelled. Of course minus 1, and here what we get? And here, of course, no need to cancel it because it is 1 only. Okay. So now here we will get minus, and next 3 1s are 3 2s are, right? So minus into minus plus minus 2. That's it. Are you sure? Yeah. Minus 2 into 2.4829. 4.9658. Next, here minus into minus plus, and here we have minus, so minus. Next, 2 1s are, 2 3s are. Okay, so now 3 3s are 9 divided by 5 into 2.4843. 4.47174. Okay, next minus into minus plus, 3 get cancelled, and 2 1s are, 2 2s are. Now 2 divided by 7 into 2.4871. It is 0.7106. Now calculate and give the answer. Minus 1.27394 minus 4.9658. So actually here we got the ones are on the bracket. Minus 3, minus 4, minus 6. Oh sorry, here we will get that minus symbol now. That is x0 minus x1. 300 minus minus 4. Next 300 minus 305 minus 5. Next x0 minus x3. 300 minus minus 7. So here minus 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 by minus, it is plus. Okay, next 1, here we will get x minus x0. 301 minus, it is plus 1 only. Okay, 1 minus 4 minus 6, 4 minus 1 minus 3. So here minus into minus plus, and here it is plus only. Next 1 into minus 3 minus 6, right? 1 minus 3 minus 4, correct only. So now once do the addition now. 1.27394 plus 4.9658 minus 4.47174 plus 0.7106. Finally we have that the answer is 2.4786. Okay, this is nothing but the concept of the Lagranges, and one thing I want to say clearly, here they mentioned that log of 301. So we have that the value of the x. Sometimes they will not mention any x value, simply they will ask that find the polynomial equation. Then what you have to take here, the x will be same. Okay, then you will get the equation in terms of the x. Remember that one. Okay, next write down next question. If if y1 equal to 4, y3 equal to 12, y4 equal to 19 and yx equal to 7. Yx means in the sufficient you have to write 1. Find x. Again I am saying the question. y1 equal to 4, y3 equal to 12, y4 equal to 19, yx equal to 7. Find x. Okay, so they are asking to find the x. Actually here we have to take the table x values and y values. X is this one, 1, 3, 4. We don't know about this one. We have to find the x value here. Next for 1, what is the value? 4. For 3, 12, 19. This is the table I have. Okay. And here what we have to find? We have to find the x value. That means reverse. So that's why here I am taking that. By inverse Lagrange's polynomial, we have that ln of y is equal to, they mentioned the y value now. They are asking about x value. Okay, that is the main thing you have to observe here. It is equal to summation y minus yi into pi dash. You have to write this one, and finally what we have to do, simply you can remember that here what is the value of the n? 1, 2, 3. I mean 0, x naught. Okay, I am writing clearly. X naught, x1, x2, y naught, y1, y2. So here n is equal to 2. So next what we get here, n equal to 2, and next value will be x is, we don't know, we have to find x here. Okay. Next here L2 of x is equal to, first we have to ignore x naught. So here it is y na, reverse. Now y minus y naught in, sorry, y1, because we have to ignore y naught na, y minus y2 by y naught minus y1, y naught minus y2. I am taking reverse inverse Lagrange's polynomial, and here x naught plus what we get here, y minus y naught, y minus y2, y1 minus y naught into x1 plus y2 we have to ignore. Into x2. Okay, so now here what is y here? Y minus y1. We don't know, of course here y is equal to 7. Okay, and here y is equal to 7. So 7 minus y1 is 12, 7 minus 19, y naught is 4, 4 minus 12, 4 minus 19 into x naught, it is 1, plus 7 minus 4, 7 minus 19 by 12 minus 4, 12 minus 19 into 3, plus 7 minus 4, 7 minus 12 by 19 minus 4, 19 minus 12 into x2. x2 value is 4. So now here which is equal to 7 minus 12 means minus 5, minus 12, 4 minus 12 means minus 8, minus 15 into 1 plus here 7 minus 4, 3 into minus 12 into 12 by 12 minus 4, 8, 12 minus 19 means minus 7 into 3 plus 7 minus 4, 3 minus 5, 19 minus 4, 15, 19 minus 12, 7 into 4. Now take the calci fast. Of course here we will get plus 5 ones are 5 threes are, and 4 twos are 4 threes are. Now 3 ones are 3s are. So cancel now. Simply it is nothing but 1 by 2, 0.5 plus, here minus minus get cancelled, plus directly 3 into 12 into 3 divided by 56. 1.928571. So I am taking up to 57. Next here I get minus 15 by 15. Get cancelled. 1 by 7. It means 4 by 7. 0.5714285. 4285. That means here I am taking 9. Now 0.5 plus 1.92857 minus 0.571429. Therefore, the value is 1.857141. So 85714. So simply I am taking it as 1.86, because here they took that only now normal numbers, integers, right? Here we have decimals, so no problem. Now simply here L2 of, here what is y? Y is nothing but 7. So L2 of 7 is nothing but 1. Therefore x is equal to 1.86. Okay, so like this you have to calculate. So in the next class we will discuss some more applications related to this Lagranges. Okay, so I hope it is clear, and in the next class we will discuss few. Thank you.